Doing this video today. I just received this gun in the mail. I ordered it off of Scopes and Ammo. It's a Canadian website. It's a very good gun. Don't want to pronounce the name wrong, but it's an xs60c 22 caliber bolt action CO2 rifle. Takes 2 CO2s in the tube, one down, one up. So as I'm saying down, I mean nose down, nose up. Then when you screw it on, it punctures it, turns the whole thing into a valve. This gun is 22 caliber. I'm using polymag bullets or pellets. Very realistic gun. A lot like a 22 if you're getting it for your kid or to learn how to shoot real guns. I like pellet guns because I don't have to go far to shoot them like a lot of guns. Well, just let you see if you can.